Oh shorty, it's your birthday. We're gonna sip on water like it's your birthday.
Right.
And it is Basilia's birthday. She is 53, and you know I'm happy. 10 years ago, I popped the question, and she said, "Yes, do you regret it?" Yeah, so
He popped the question, then he popped the cherry.
Brian and Bass Basilia. It's her birthday today, and he says, can you shout out Bass for me on this, her birthday? Tell her God bless her and wish her many more. She's been a blessing to this world and has rocked my world also. He says, 10 years ago, I asked her to marry me, and we said yes, and we've continued to blossom, grow, and produce
She persevering.
She said, and then he says, I love her. Here she is. Well, I love her too.
Her too.
Yeah. Happy birthday,
love
Bass.
her
Have an
too.
amazing day today.
She's such a gem, man.
Yeah, man. And
Bass, Brian, you should have told me, make
how
me
old
drop
is
the
she?
dance video of Bass. She would freak out.
have an amazing day. I'm certain you know the CUFFS, so have an amazing day, and we all love you.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bass, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
happy Jamaica Day, everyone. You know, big up to the Black, Green, and Gold, and of course, the Reggae Boys won their first match in the CONCACAF Nations League in September, and then they drew the second one. We're here to support them for the third one. Go Reggae!
That's not why we're wearing this, but it falls right in.
It's her birthday. It's her birthday. It's her birthday. Go shorty. It's your birthday. We're gonna sip on water like it's your
You're
birthday.
right.
We're gonna praise the Lord like it's your birthday. And you know we praise the Lord. It's your birthday.
Hey guys, I know we've been away for a little while. Oh, busy.
Busy, 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 busy.
Holy puff
And
things.
it's not the signal.
Yeah, holy puff things, but we're here.
Tenants in the building.
We know no matter how long we stay away, y'all are still here. So
Welcome
big
to
up.
Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire. We're fun.
Inspirational.
We're real.
And we're educational.
And it is Basilia's birthday. She is 53, and you know I'm happy that she's alive. and
35. Thank
Giving
you.
God thanks, you know. She's my cougar. Don't worry about that. Love knows no age. Don't worry about that at all. I just want to thank her for, and I appreciate you. I want to wish you many, 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 many more from the bottom of my heart. It's been a pleasure watching you grow.
Literally.
We've been together for a while now. It's actually the anniversary of our engagement as well. 10 years ago, I popped the question, and she said, yes, do you regret it?
No.
No.
I'm not. Don't.
Cut out a part of it. Do you regret it?
No.
Better not. Yeah, so
He popped the question, then he popped the cherry.
no, not at the same time. Yeah,
Not at
after
the
the
same
wedding,
time.
please let that be known. But we're just really grateful for another year. You know, God has been so good despite different situations, different struggles. You know, I'm really proud of her growth over the past 3 years in particular. 2 years on social media and a little over 2 years, heading to 3 years. And she continues to see if she know yarn.
I never met them say.
She.
You have to talk.
So we're just happy for life, happy for love. And you know, just gonna do some stuff for her birthday. I call it her Basilia's Bonanza, birthday Bonanza. Because we're going to spend 3 days doing some stuff, you know, and enjoying
I'm
her
excited.
birthday. Yeah, spend some quality time, and of course drop happy birthday in the chat and happy anniversary and happy engagement anniversary as well, as we continue to build out our decade worth of love. Can you imagine? I don't know how many of you have ever had a car for 10 years. You usually throw it out and carry in a new one, no? And how many of you may have a clothes or have some clothes for 10 years? Usually upgrade it, right? Know what that means?
I'm a constant upgrade, I'm sorry.
Hey! Pam, 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 pam. Good one, good one. Alright, so we're going to eat breakfast now. We out. You like it?
I
It's your
love
first
it.
present.
I love it.
Yeah.
I get a new Jamaica shirt from a TikTok.
I think I will
Yes,
on the
sir.
road.
And I can wear, but I wear that one on the road too. You know, I'll from F.I.R.E wear it. So no shame in my game, but I love the new edition. Thank you.
You plan to give one present today, one present tomorrow, and one the other day.
No, man, you can't give me all of them today.
Yeah.
Today is fine.
So, I don't know if I might name the company. Just pull this up.
No, we think it has a PFE.
I should not lack nothing, so I have to come up with creative, heartfelt, personalized stuff.
Right? Because if you ask what time for my birthday, I wouldn't give you an answer. And I already have my birthday.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So many people them see why you look so.
Sorry. But I like this. Can you see it? How open up with that BC then? You like this? Eh?
Let's see how back.
Yeah. I first will see. Nah, man. Open up with this. You can't get it. You can get that over here. No, baby, like yeah.
You like it, that's how I buy it. Son. Alright fam, so we're actually gonna try out the new highway. Just opened. It's 6:20 p.m. We're leaving Mandeville. Let's see how long it takes us to reach the Kingston. Alright? So we're gonna drive reasonably well.
We're going to drive like how we normally drive and see how long it takes us. So I guess this is my birthday gift from Jamaica.
Toll road free.
Toll road, free toll road until December. I'm happy that it's finally open because several reasons. One, because of how often we have to go into Kingston. That's one. Two, the Christmas season is coming up and it's going to require that we go into Kingston more. And three, Bella normally gets motion sickness going through Porous. So this will help a lot. So we're excited to see what it looks like and how long it will take.
You want to see too? Alright, come with us. 6:30, we're just entering the road to the highway.
We have not driven on this road in months.
Going this way.
Going this way.
So let's see.
Right? Highway, oh yeah. Hey.
Here's the police trying to tell you where to go, I guess.
Now tell me, say I have something that I do already. Speed trap.
Well, actually, Popo.
Engage low gear. Oh, Mandeville.
Come on, we used to drive on normal road.
No man, I'm excited.
A part what we've never driven on before. This is the new highway. So we just passed the porous turnoff. Speed limit says 80. It's the only one we've seen so far. You are to engage low gear. We're driving like we have an event. But we do have an event. But
So I think we're passing Chorus on our left right about now. Here we are. So yeah, I love it. So it took us 9 minutes from Mandeville to Clarendon Park. Jesus. Jesus! Yeah, Lord. I'm going to have to call my father to tell my father this. I can't believe.
I'm slow down for payment toll.
Let's pay the toll. How much is the toll? $0.00. Everywhere we go, we bring the rain. Showers of blessing.
Yeah.
Showers of blessing.
Kingston in how many minutes?
40
40
minutes.
minutes from Mandeville.
I love
Kingston,
it. I love it.
Jamaica. Ferry at least. Let's put that into context. Spanish Town was 35 minutes, Kingston 40 minutes. And we were not speeding.
No,
So,
love it.
wow. For those of you interested in having us do some work in Kingston and think that because we're too far, we're not too far at all.
We can do several events a day.
Several events, back and forth and come back for the night event.
That's right.
Yeah.
Hello.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.